Hi guys. Hello my people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. How are you guys doing? From your one and only mommy, Suzy Suzy. Just Suzy Grandma. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Good morning. Happy weekends, my darling amazing people. How na day? Good morning. Please share this video, and let's talk as one. And I know as we do one. Share this video for me, please. Especially educated people online. People are always reasoning positively, not always negatively. Please, I beg make una help me share this video. Make we call less small thing. Normally, today is my cleaning day, but I just want to bring a little awareness that I know about health to us so that we can learn it together. You know, say, if something don't happen, everybody get different type of thinking, you know, reason in a different way. Especially we Africa, we have one mindset. And that mindset, I know that truly we believe in tradition. That one are correct. Bam. Especially Manibiedo. That tradition, you know, they change. Africa magic is true, is real. Are you getting me? Okay, but sometimes, if things still happen, African magic, spiritual thing, where we put her for one side, and also let's try to face reality, okay? Reality of life. How you take care of your health. Very, very important. Things happen in different way. Are you getting me? Me, I'm a mature woman. I don't go university, but una know say, me, I get white brain. Where I take the take one thing, say, sometimes, small negative something, but 70% of my thinking is positively. Do you know why? Because I believe in reality. I believe in scientists. I don't go university, but you gonna pay me. Una way go school. Una go to embarrass. Una yagba just get English. Now that one night they pay me for Isa. Anyway, make we not go that side. When I say this, our brother, wait back for TikTok when he did live screen. Okay? When he did live screen, now she die. Now he die, sorry. When he did do show for TikTok. That is our brother by you. Are you getting me? I see a lot of video. Some said it's a spiritual attack. Some say, Mokuna no they do bad thing again. Some say, blah, 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 blah. But I have never seen any video where Pesitator can say, take care of yourself, oh. Stress is not good, oh. It can be stroke, oh. It can be heart attack, oh. Nobody talk about that. I don't see, oh. I bet if I see that video, Mokuna still share that to me. Because me, I like that kind video where person they face where life they go. Are you getting me? Please, if you guys are hearing me, right? Yes. Don't mind my English, oh. I just got a beguna. This blue app, English, you know, the first one. Even the people where they thought say they go school, they embarrass the English. My even though I carry the one where don't pass, I can't put on for present. I can't carry present, I put on for pass. Make we manage jam. So far you understand waiting I dey talk and where we dey go. Okay, my people. Please, if you guys are hearing me, just write yes. Are you getting me, my people? In life, especially we don't date this Western world. Even though say you there for Nigeria, you from Benin to Lagos. Nobody can life for you they live for Lagos, now you they look for Benin. You supposed to know, say, life they expose every day. But some people life still they expose, they know they still they pick one thing, make they tell them for inside. For my own opinion about this bros, wait by so when he day TikTok. Are you getting me? This is the first time where they see his picture. When I know say I not be TikTok person. I don't like the TikTok. Not be say if I go TikTok, I not go make my money according to my funny things. I get that my but I don't want to go. Okay. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Happy weekend, my darling people. When I see this video, I was saying, what is this? Me, I be one kind of person. When I know, say me, I know they go church. Now, Juju me they serve. But when I know, say me, where they serve that to Juju. I so much believe scientists a lot. Especially those of them who based in Africa. They are so careless to the extent they know they visit doctor. Some of them will visit doctor. The doctor will do malaria and typhoid test for them. The reason Africa people, they break down if they're sick for Africa. Now it be this one say, if they go meet doctor, they know they do general tests. None of them. Good morning, my darling Omo baby. Good morning, everyone. Help me to share this video. They know they go. The only thing what they do, they'll say, doctor, I just the sick. Sometimes they know they go self at least once in 3 years. Now they go. They prefer to go to whereby chemist, just take paracetamol, swallow one. But because say Baba God never built their house for that side, they go still way. Okay? Some of them, they are getting it wrong. Instead of it to go to chemists to be buying drugs every time, even though you are sick or you are not sick, you can do a general test, general control once in a year. Are you getting me? In case some kind of sickness there for example, they go, they destroy something, but because you get a strong immune system, you know go free weigh you down at that moment. The time we go can't carry you enemy can't go down. Water don't pass, Gary, don't already spoil anything spoilable. Now they can wait before they just sick the something small for Africa. You say bam, they don't go. Are you getting me? Like people now they have like kidney problem in Africa. Maybe don't say maybe they have kidney stone, they don't know, or they are taking one strong medication, one way they carry their kidney, they get small, they don't know. But when the something go come affect to the extent say the kidney not go feel move again. Before they come go hospital, doctor come and say kidney problem, you know, it don't already damage the kidney. If suppose say we fix that kidney, you will see and say the kidney don't come on from black to red, from red to black. You know, things like that don't already damage and change the color. But because they don't visit doctor every time, so they are ignorant of that. Are you getting me? Anyway, it's not their fault. It's the system of our government. Now they say I'm not bad. Okay? Happy weekend, sorry, my darling Ogogo. There, let's go there. This guy wake by for TikTok. People, they talk different things. Some people do videos, say yes. If you do live video, when where they do battle more, and not they do battle again. God bless you for that message. Or one way we see, right? When I see me for this social media, they talk blah 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 blah. I don't really listen, especially the people who are not responsible for it side. I know they mind them because they don't have anything to offer. That to spoil. If you go their platform, it's just jaga. A grown up woman go to talk anyhow. It go the reason out of it, outside of his head. You know go reason from inside his head. So that kind of person, I don't notice you. Because so that was if you like, you be my aid mate. Since I don't know, say you be my aid mate, you not say go school like me, you be the day like me. You send any message, come give me. I see and say your message don't mean anything. You are John Atalova, okay, fian, what they to a fian, woman coming, come make a meeting with the same level when we it's a day making better way the day making me wine. Let me hear you very see, no be saying I go con. No be saying I go con. Because me brain in me de clever, I'm a very intelligent and smart lady. Are you getting me? So, some people say, make them not do party for this social media. God go bless you and I will give that message. Apart from saying on social media, man, no way we don't we will be saying your way. That's just one thing. I love video now. Why got book by book? No, again, I book by book or down. Or my concern me. Or my bully or my live video. We say Nigeria and I police here. And I will give it 24 hours to the public apology. Oh, my FA your son that. FA do change. Are you getting me, my people? So, that already the guy. Everybody will see their home. Are you getting me? That one come passport there. The reason why they told this because of so many videos where they see which all of una do way. Because every guy is now confusion go come. But I have never seen any video when anybody go do where they come to say, I bet me kuna they take care of una self. Could do be heart attack na yapu. Madali Rosa, good morning, my love. Could do be heart attack? Could do be stroke? Nobody talked about that. Nobody. talked about that. Because in Africa, everything is always has. Abas in Africa, wa be gbenegbu wa ye gbe. Eri so nu wa uke nu wa ma wi here wa gi mu ehia. Ba me wa gbera amami opu wa be down. But nobody will talk and say, even as the people will go school, where they even they do the content, whether na content creator, maybe what here, me ban wa be so angie. It might be what here. I might be none of them. No be time where it could be medical way like stroke or heart attack or whatever. Listen, heart attack can come in a very different way. Stroke can come in a very different way. Are you getting me? Don't forget, my people, brain and heart, they communicate together. Brain and heart, they communicate together. If you know, you know. If you don't know, that is your business. Are you getting me, my people? Brain and heart communicate together. Or mama who never ready. Get that one into your skull. If person ever off for brain, you know go fit give for heart. In the body system, your brain, okay, is the meter. When the heart is the coil. If you believe, you believe. I wonder, I don't see any doctor of social media or nurse of social media say all those kind of things that they teach them. No. Because me, I be person. Don't be saying, read down. Even though you give me that way, make a dictionary, scientists, they get that way, because of bolo. But I used to ask questions. Because I have a lot of educated people where I go ask, could you be this? Could you be this? This video, as the apple to this guy, since yesterday, I ask a lot of questions. You know, say ya. I can't give up because I get some where they go school, where you know what to be life, where you understand scientists. La rebe no ime. Hey, zide school na ba, unwe gijwe, o ma yesuku, la rebe me. Don't analyze e mame. Give me no sunu dama, be TikTok, give me no way. Ina send de ege. He said, Mama, what do you think? Me me. Oh, go me live video. Or no. He said, do you believe that stroke can cause this? Ina we wa believe in Mona BSC. I believe. Yes. Because you have to face the reality of your body system. Because if you look at your body now, when you were 20 years and now you are 40, what you can do when you were 20 years, you cannot do it again at your age now. That's how we did 20 years, 25 years, eh? Begasi kamwoma me ye piaga ya agbaloma o ye na agbalo kisan. But again, I'm going to agbalo mania. So kunga me ma wa de mo roto. Because one, the body I don't use already. The system of the body, you cannot compare it together. Igata mo wa we emi ogo no ma wo. Na da bie gan se emi ogo no wo ni. Ohon emi la ye nyenyenye ebo amwo yo or with 300. Emi la na da bie ebo kama we no na 1,500, you know. Do you think they don't know what they are doing? They know what they are doing because now that being a system may have for you day in order. My beggar no bag bone of your man is sagging. Give me no more. Are you getting me, my people? Then this our brother way by so please. On our way go school way day here. More do one together. If we don't have 2 persons day here, make we do one together. Una believe say na spiritually. Na by this boy. Or na magic azemuso na by this boy. Or do you believe that stroke do stroke like this? Or heart attack do heart attack like this? If you believe, make you write down. To my own, according to research where I make, are you getting me? Nothing but this thing will happen to this our brother. So, do you know that you can have a stroke? It can make you breathe gas from your mouth and seize your breath. Everything what ye. Nana hi oladiani. Nana hi oladiani we nana gwa. Do you know that anything you are communicating from your mouth, whatever, it do come from your head, your brain. You understand? Okay, more will break am very easy way. Una see all those people. Wa me mo sonia abio ugbeso enwa ya wo me ni whatever very. Or see, amami go ya operated in every day for sure. Or see an enwa. It's so we have to see. Or na be ye go bokba. E money na be ni it's so be bogo. It's so be wego. E all those e boson e how. Ya wa we go boy ya we go boy hin or way hin. The reason you see no, what the reason did you feel that the hand is not moving and the leg is not moving? Because he has something on his brain. A fortune. You understand? You feel tortura. If you understand. But come talk na wahala. That is the same symptoms that happen to this our brother. Waiting by this our brother. I know say if you go native doctor place now, you go see and say, they say na mama sister. According to them now, he get two wife. The fit say, I just say assume Africa way as we they be from the Africa, Nigeria, giant of Africa, we have for come. Now they talk so. This is two wife we marry so. They go say, have we got a drag you? See, if you dey into stress, example, you can be stressed for your job, you can be stressed for your wife, you can be stressed for your children, you can be stressed for eating food, you can be stressed for cooking, okay? But depends of the stress you can handle. You get me? For example, now you distress. Example now, if you do social media now waiting they bring you down. You cannot, you know, go feel stand down. If anybody insult you on social media, he make you stress. So the easier way to do with social media, so that it will not take your life or it will not stress you again, is to stay away from that thing that is stressing you. You understand? Do away with it. If you do away with it, you will see your life will look stable and all that. Any video you look at someone do that, it doesn't give you happiness. You know, they give you happiness. This person, you know, you like a video. Better unfollow the person or block that person so that you will not see the video of that person again. You get me, my people? So that you can enjoy what you want to enjoy on social media. Are you getting me? Somebody like me now, I'm making an example. I don't like TikTok. I don't like it. I know, say Facebook rough. But let's sincere. Now TikTok na rough pass. You understand? Many things I can say out of 80% I'm seeing on TikTok. I am totally, no, I dislike it. I don't like it. That is the reason. I did TikTok. Oh, I don't get many followers. But I know they press on. Sometimes once in a month. Or the thing where they carry me, they go TikTok sometimes. The person send me something. If I want to click the something, make a look and then they carry me, they go TikTok. But my message you get last month in my TikTok, me answer the person. Baby, hello. I never answer her. Don't be say because I don't want to answer that person, but because say I know they go that TikTok. Except na number, maybe na somebody send me something. I click on, I go look on. Then one carry me go. If not, I know they go there. Because I don't like it. I know say if I go there, go see money, I go do this one. Because of some certain video, I don't want to be seen. That is the reason I don't want to go. Because I believe if I do it, because since I don't like some video I'm seeing on TikTok, maybe it can give me stress. To save my stress, to save the stress, then I better move away. You understand? If I can't look and say I don't say, okay, it's not giving me stress again, let me go to TikTok. Then I can go. But as we speak now, I don't like him. You understand? I don't like him. Example now just to give so. So this our brother, wait by so. For una mind, my people, wait till una the thing say ikbala. Una the thing say na spiritual. Or una just believe in reality of scientists that say body no be fire wound. Una believe? But for my own take of this, our brother, wait by so, may his soul rest in peace. I believe 99% that not be witchcraft na ikpaya, not be spiritually na ikpaya. I believe that is something that have to do with health issue. Something like stroke or heart attack. Some heart attack can come easily. Bim. Whew. Depends as your body be. You understand? You know, so everybody get different muzzle. You understand? They, and some people, they go get that heart attack. They go hold their chest. You know, they'll go down, they'll come stronger. Sometimes person go come to their rescue. He go rescue them. they go survive. Someday, maybe not be that one, maybe not stroke. Some stroke can take there. I will say that guy, according to waiting, me, I know say he happen to run, or scientist, or according to the people where go school, where they tell me, what they say to me, that is two things. Either it has something to do with stroke, or it has something to do with heart attack. Yes. Stroke, Phoebe say, if you're old, then you come, boom. It go fall down. They don't know when they will fall down. Boom, if he hit something. On a bien maçon aura des boutons. Et ça gagne velarere or fou. O gagne doari foua. Maitana. Because it's ça gagne velarere ne. On a doa bien maçon no home. That's true. Or do gbe obo, or do gbe away. They don't feel when they move their hand again and all that. Et so wa knock la yimi. Et so raw. The stroke qui vient knock. Excuse the mozo. On a bien maçon no do beno we. But after everything, or come again ne. All those therapy the system will not become, you know, oekwade. You understand? But that stroke, do you know that it can six voice? After that thing, now that stroke, now they come from brain. If you don't know, stroke they come from brain. Now all the days that they call like miamason. You know, not say our Africa where we did. Africa, the great Africa where we are coming from. Una no say that they say miamo we miama va miama son. Wa en rami ya. E miamo we miama va miama son ide Africa. Where would they come from? Are you getting me? Even though doctor do you blood test, they say what you they sick. They're not mine. They go say na miama son miama va. I get one of my cousins, he so rest in peace. When he was sick, the doctor said he should stay away from drinking and smoking. That he have heart problem and at the same time kidney problem. You know, say some people from our family, especially them, our mama will not go school. They say call the get and say, I've been over here and I say I know where you are. Now I can't ask my mama say, no vessel. This your brother where over here they feel where you are. I remember vividly, you say we go your own here. I want my we go your own. A baby mama, baby papa ya we Neno who rekenoje or we or kakba. The honor ya himia on our way on our way be we put your kid more way and I will you. Egg baby very only guy work baby only go to see and on other say kidney, doctor you beg and also kidney. What a battle plan on one no can weapon or you go to Nigeria give us and a one man I am no big kidney okay. Abia one only dollar egg be kidney egg be heart. You understand? Because I didn't reason the way that I cannot reason the same way they are reasoning. My own thought is different. I don't really believe in what will you feel where you are. Because the doctor already mean anyway, stay away from smoking and drinking because of me a kidney problem in a heart problem. You understand again? Or so we always see. But because ignorant people or a family in my school, they still they believe say, we can't catch boundary or you want to live on warrior, or we can't get barrier with Bogato, we can't feel where you are. But call out now. Instead of us to gather money, now ya okay. Why tell me why is me? Why let us face the reality. Madali, you good morning, sweetie. How you doing, my love? Let us face the reality. In a way, a kidney ma, me and we go. We no that what na wa biaka mai. Nega gi sesiga nega wona deri ono kekeri oni mane ye ni ma ya ni go kugbe. Na rie ne, de keke la pen no ya de no ya busy cause ya we e ha do ne nemi, ise ne nemi wo shop be me wo watae, wa ni ye school. So that our business bania. E give me one, e give me ke ya wa those things because e me ru pa no one responsibility oga memu. Because that dog, I go give one cookie. It do pay someone a monthly salary. I cannot do that, but I gather you go cook me. I will help. So that although I get treatment, we do our business again. You, setting with kai, whatever, those kind of stuff. Okay. So from there, majority of us will turn up. Okay. First of all, before we go there, in our ma, now the more your man cousin, yeah, that dog on our If we just say Willie a husband, I call him. He bring. He can say yeah, no, but okay, no problem. Because me, I be one kind of person. All my cousins, they really love me and I love them. You gotta tell me, they always give me that respect. And I go bless them for giving me that respect. In with me, all man of profitable, but once a time when I help, once I get say, happy weekend, sweetie. How you doing, my love? We gotta tell me when I will you born one. When I'm always a giver, not because only outside. including the family. I be one person way emi ga woman. I always stand. Okay, I know the wrong because I believe say wari no man. Fo, woman you no man fo. Are you getting me, my people? So everybody stand. We can't donate money, give her, make it go take go hospital. From there, pa, oh, we ye Italy, not you, we ye no Italy na welare. We no see we ye me wagwa kana. Ina welare, my dear. Gwaligo be nari ba na ya stand there. A life a senior brother when I brother with me. Na ya stand there a life a. Wakani wasun talo ni bie kani yek ba wakan la webo na ni bunya me. Ona wasun talo. Yenari na yenari nekere oti oni ebe kana ni aka bie no toto ye waje. Yenari yenokpa ona arogwie ona wono na we oni meru that to we mechi gugweta lebe ko me do me ni wesi. All those things you are saying, those things important. If we no gbera ne, me no mu ere na ni awaba ovije, mami ye jeje magbakin. Let us join hands together so that we can save the son because Osalogba gave me what one not your no bana. Evi garia, it go affect your mama because you are the first fruit or you are not your no be no, be no gwa your nania or zame we cousin me so when me no you make better cause I mo bi oye. Okay? Or be other say plus to my family. Obi okana was when e ya block obi okana thing today. Ima we be kiri waje my people. Iga le no one only le no one rie me meji. Are you getting me? Obi okana if you fucking you ya be bason. Ina wagi gwagwo mo na Jesu no gie. No ma mi so here we no ma mi o no mi no ma ge gbe oke do to tare. Ogi me do ma no gwe me kokko gi me yi. Where Nigeria be mwe kopi oki beri me gbo wan ba e gitalo nyame rigo re na gbodi agbodi go ba na gboya ya wona good morning Epa domosa la is domosa. Are you getting me? Ona atalo pe na woma ina yejere na we e we get so no that one not yona even in Bulgaria or say mega tell people the yan most time ya dajin ya wa bi obo me kwekin ya tell almost to come to pass mana ye we my people ina ye we mother samo pa kan gbe gbese we si so viera vije o mazeyo ina ye my people o kan tie we na gugun o ya tell mo be ere. Are you getting me? And otun we ko me kidney or ko me heart atam we go condition we gbene gia wono na ya safe no mi go ya je treatment I hear me go ase gebege ya no me ya wo obi o kana na talitalo no lakma eri bi yen bi e bason eri ono na ho no na deto we ki e bejon pa ni do agoye no so mo vitali o ima e bi agbon ri oge izege o zetalo ina ewe agize do imi amena na do this serious na do we pe bi agbon ri oge. Okay, because no see enemy concern na no ka pota me seri ora no bi ye me wishi seri ma no ho a okoke e mo bo iye. So ima ya fefe ye na mi we ni ma no ho na kokeni we pu iji me ya wo bi obi ye ya ge o ja wo wi ra ya ya ge because o mo ne kere ni ma no ho amu e ga no along the line. Happy weekend sir. Along the line imi amena na do worst imi amena gi worst ma se wa ye ne bi na ya sunu na that was 2021. Emi amena gi worst bi agbon ni worst o ma pe kere ayiwa hon awe bra Robinson owu ina we I thought as much e boy na wo ma say to wisi ye na we bi agbon ni oge. I said it from the beginning we boy no ga affect ye but otun na ignore that we wi ra bi je ave ti wa ne na no re deti be ma la we bo ana mi egeti me ne kere re we bo ana mi ebu ya na matuti me ni ya imaru din ari ase ru dia ya omuji eri o ya end because if you be the canal the railway bona dan here is so him they are so heartless o ma sunu we gelo ki bi agbon ri oge agin yon kere me wa hon e wa de se wona e wa hon e baro bi sin wona. Okay, let us draw her together then I tell ya bere because obi o me ni then I ya bere ihe na mo ari village ra mo wa na mo ari ogwera village am I talk about if me wa hon abagede je me we ya ge na tin ko iya evapa ije me onyon pa je me aso wi ra bi ye iya evano pa ye wa bi je o wa ni you know yon se bi mo wi ra bi je again ati je me bi na again ati je me gbe mara jin o hospital wo we aweto ga ne van me na ye BP ahian gbin yan purge wa dam ho then the next time war hospital awe gbe mara ije me na ipa je me gi seva e gi gun ase wo sunu orion gi go e video ni anado pa na do ari we ado awe ni ya fefe do awona ubege evi na ka resolve we go ka no be ya gaga ogiri ya bi no pun wa ne ana do ari do go bono to tage obono ni ama wa gbon wa be o eno ba maka wa sekeni ajona ya gemi ibiere webe na nenyata enya be no gwega be neimi ibiere be no ta. Are you getting me? But are you body no wuji? Before you know, on a faithful day, Mary home, I send a message to me. I wear a sister mena or woo. This my sister. If you see, I say you did say na she bore me because I really look like a wear. Honestly, be wa oge sister mena wo. Between 2 weeks o mo keke bije ona wa we na we BPN na wari uto ona wari uto na ri uto. Oge sunu na bi agbon ni oge e na ri obo me ye fun. Ovi okani no ri asebu kuni no ri tali ne respect no wani na wari obo ye fun wa me na igwale ebi no ye na me egwo si application no wa money bi ma si application ma egwe jeje na wari eri na wa block e. Ena ekori obo ye fun ina block e. Igi block e ya me je me ati la wo me no ime la ho obo no la wo odere ne ijegiro ina wo kome me ma fi jo popo awe me hewu iga ti eje ana yore a awe o de ati eje ana yore ni ja ti eje me na yore the baby say so ugbebe oyi I don't want anything to do with that gay again. Imagine the day because even teti e bana kokodo uno ya save life o ma se yo kwetalo yo to talo no talo e la pan e la wawa because you opportunity u la we bone when am ya we jugwe mana bie ni dioni ere bi we when am ya se ni jugwe se na we ni dioni se le ni jugwe akedo se kenu weje e wa doge na wa beg there is no need be ni give me am se ma we be careful ni me ima we be ke wa no me we no bible imeri la dan we fun that is the end. That was 2021. Igo na ate ya bere oti manana ana egwe na fie koko e no hia sunu na ya bere ije because ije setiare motuari yen ijinye keke bi yen na re motuari at the same time ana woma ahia bere ije iye na sije ai aka bere ije ne that is the law e na yu na ya munye yoto ana igbewe yo ekun ya we oge do if ye ga nware be dobe they can do remembrance sisa agbewe yo ekun ne if ya gbon ri what is the reason I said this story is because of the ignorance people have in Africa. Instead of us to face the reality of scientists to get benazelona or area, they will not believe. I'm feel where you are. Azema gboma, osoma gboma. They will started to be scattering everything. Whether I say kenari or rodovi, they yale. Eso kwe jamoka. Eya izaga. You will get me. Eya izaga. Emi ya jeberia. Opono na wazen hino yebe ka jebe we yani. O yebe ka. Beke na yeja jebe ye. So for that support is that mentality. Okpe ni mekpa bari. Okpe ni meya gwebo adueki. Eme ya hewe. Yeah, guys, why is this? But I don't really believe in all those things. Let me face scientists first. Okay? Dana igami ogabazeni rigwe memazon sama mi egbado meeting obun yani but let me face the reality of life. So to my own opinion, waiting happen to this our brother we buy for light screen is either heart attack or stroke. Ogbe. Are you getting me? Nada mas. For the one where they talk saying a spiritual attack. Okay? Spiritual attack 50 day not be say I'm not saying no they exist. But according to scientists, this is how stroke operates. Okay? People can sick of stroke by six their breaths. Or size when go man hiyo eseti gwa. Wa we tori oma we si egbe gugu eni assist your breath go inside. Egbe ne doctor mama no wuni. Be nu gwegi mena. Si e gugu eni we gwa ni me gunu no ayagun. Ta mo ge na ba gbe. We si egbe gugu eni a o gugu bole gugu then at the same time no gwa. Ni give no ayagun. E de possible. E de possible. Are you getting me, my people? It's not possible. So it's possible this our brother. Because if you see the way it take by, I post it in my page. Go and look it. First time, he can't look. So he was trying to speak. But he couldn't. He was trying to speak. But he cannot speak. Then, the something. Can't they make they bend his neck. They bend his neck. They bend his neck. From bending his neck, then he now fall down. Slowly. I wish a maga river they could have rescued him, by pressing the chest, you know, try to do all those kind hard mede things, or immediately rush to hospital. Who knows how many hours or how many minutes he spent before person come, before they come and say he don't buy. Are you getting me, my people? So, in this message this morning is where you know that you are not 100% strong. Don't malade yourself for anything. Are you getting me? Don't malade yourself. You're free to relax and see. A bagger where you stress it, but when you stress will not be relaxed. Is this anyway, Zoe? Ballo one no bomber. My understanding, eh? So, area me. Are you getting me, my people? Because it's time. I still remember 2016 when my chariot high. I will say my enemy, but in Nigeria, I day my enemy for buy. I mean, the tell you my enemy for buy. Now that kind of time you go come say, I do your dog obu. Or where ye, I saw ya yasiogi audio. Yeah, that's what they tell you now. Where go mama me never go. Where to be yaziri. Now I make away they tell you now every time. Or see, every name nyaga. Oh, papa me na easily wo. Forget say they just for social media. But in my real life, I'm a very calm person. I'm a very, very calm person in my real life, apart from social media. I am a very kind person that calm. To the extent I say calm. Igualo nyaga, because it really convenience me. Malaike, or one already nervous say. So for that simple reason, I don't have friends. Not because of Iema or Imema, because Imagwalo no Padoria very wa. Okay? Or one ego or one remu euki. Stay away from even no yenage poto. You get me? Also, I beg a mason with video. Especially now, I get women on a bass and only Morocco and no tie like Malawa. My murray platform, they don't do describe baby in Moya. Wearing a boy. I'm already walking a go to Yadi. West to go on with one friend and one other go. The Hiana Dori. How can a grown up mother even no taladian will wait it one go? You cannot see a mother or by the mola down. Okay, a fruit even now money be a canna, hey. Money wants to be a leke, wa degbe fruit na wa amuno momo, you know, all those kind of things. I have never seen all those people where they nurture children for social media, that bottle food in any. Imagine man do child they believe say all children they eat that bottle food. Not be all children they eat them. Because me give one more money and nurture. Umaitana, you give one more money and nurture a bottle food in it. Did you know that where I mean monorio level will be made nani? A dog bottle ni or jogi me, is to boy way. Ije or to boy way. Ije at the carrot or here. Or a day or bole. Or to lise or level blend we. Or jane. That is the bottle food. The madebe famasiani. The warine. Sometimes ample or balloy. Or blend Ubeso a banana. Keke the dibu. Or blend kugwe. O can I call Jay? Baby Ajena. Or blend kugwe. A yare bottle this in or apotek. Why it to boy ale is very good. Memo of your mobobi. It may be a set 21 years ago. May be a set. Ya wa ya mo mo bokpa ne pien bana if it do so again ma understanding me, but because it may with scientists is very exist, that is the reason I am teaching you guys every time. Control your BP. A BP got high be or see stroke. A BP na high be it can lead to stroke. A stress got boom be or see a BP. If you know ever got stress in when you born you weary. In winner you born you weary. Okay, you can manage your BP. Woman, I feel boy, me not on. Who na the doctor gbe no money, or when I am manage, or make talk be, egbe, or when one you kun. Una ye stress a BP wet or ye high, or blow huni be on my kind. Because who know ya suppress no I can go who will go to a van out with yaga. Are you getting me, my people? So, and another thing, who are one live in Yagbon. Let's forget about social media. Social media, let's say 80% of life is fake. On social media, let's talk about life. Unaga ragbon. Uga ewe yes. Even na even no bother worry Unaga let's say mi gwaloma no diake we no here to ema, so that you feel release. Uga egi wina we or stress we. No wa yaju wo here wina. Inwe inwe na egwu no wina wu. Change wina ni. No gwale wina be. E ka we no digo. Are you getting me, my people? Because was there no ragbon or kwego. No gu na egi ego yakwa. Are you getting me, my people? Also, when you may, when we are maybe here now, and we are maybe next year, they will not see igwa mobo stress. Ebi no stress me ga de. Ife kori ubo we ye ko ya le. Me dam ye nu we tabe gbe me ni. Good morning, my darling. Yeki Cash, how you doing, my love? Happy weekend, darling. Or see, even we have a gbe me mo bo dam ho. Even me only gbe me no wa give me happy. Me na you got go never wake be. A happiness in the way any man in a day by on a blend. Me go wake with the happiness. You me agie ya nya kon pa be ya fake laughing, no? Are you getting me? That is the reason I so much believe in myself. For one with I would dog bonize go magba. I wait here whether na ni or li na ya ge would dog magba. Wa gie be talk over ne pare. He mo ni no makosani be. If you beg some video, it's so a video. I cannot na agbina. Why get what's one I get name cake by? The same person here dog bina na tell whether na ni or neni ma what ye. Oh my dog bina ne Monica. Isano ne yowe Monica nearly take a crow me bagay adoe kissing no wake ya na de chop. Because why so what that's a social media wa mabega e can one do van near ni work benagbene. They can get kije. Evani wake so agwa. Nene ni uwe 2020 whatever because wa mamwe gben wire dam ho. Nene ni uwe 2021 wa mabega me na ni bully me. Bully me by if you carry the man we are not know for I. Ene na gbena no fin agugu we pie ni no jeni. But ya begu wa so wa we video one we video jo. Wa mana bega video ni women na Suzy 2021 2022 2020. Wa mana bega wa na ko to wo hin atogbo wa. Wa bega ajela la ni ya mo la video no hin agbelu wa agbelu gi owu wa be ye call ye nu wa. Wa ma se me so ni wa because uke ka wo hin deliberate anything. Gwaloto tevi na ni ke no kezo. E Monica mari invitation ne ni no dogbe na ni isane ni ni ke vision no ho ane yo we Monica ni vision yin adore. Isane ane 2020 2021 2022 yin ana le. O ikpe ba bo ifie kun le ni ana we gbe ade na do Pakistan yin ana ario. Yin adore. If you know you know, if you believe you believe. Are you getting me, my people? Men and I was bullied by Nelly. Umana said, Nenny said, me have a picture with me in social media by looking for my children picture to bully them. Are you getting me? E mona ya yo. Ima beg presenter who be we but no woman must or woman error because I done my best as a mother to take care of my children. But this ribarophobia, no netity no we fake account for many years, 5 years in a bomb away. Or you may have a picture with me. You got mail. But no funa. We go that part. Why no the then na Suzy was in every picture ye ladia. Uma no tani. Una judge me. Uma understand the video ni uwe nejo. Uma to boy. Uma na eke ni video ni uwe nejo ma eke no kede. Because me no we video ni eke ni kede. I know eke ni kede. Wo beli ni keke de dore no useless ni de no la la me na wo wikpe. Ba avec ni ado. By lying on me. A guy I don't even know in my destination. Oh, who na fear me no bado. By crook a gang to lie on me. E Suzy mo yela la on social media. How we jai gbe ma phone meeting. E ma so wo ko ni a escalate serio. How we ni o ma fear me no bado keke vision no ho. E ma so wo ko ni o ga fear me no bado. Be gwade ma ge kene na ni kedi. Wana wa figeti wa we video ni keka. O salo bone kekebe bokpanya kekebe ni ka otonedo owa wa ya nota we le nieli wo mo bo we Suzy Suzy gele be ma do ye kede Monica ye ma do mari kinye ke ku ke be back ya. I don't know, I never noticed that. I told you guys even last week that I will never forgive that. Never. Because there would dear a picture mama me no de intelligence se no clever se no most se ya rego social media ko ya we content ri wo yepo yi kan yo we we ya rego o vi me ya rego. But because of their bullying, that was the reason I had my children pictures away from Facebook because of them. Also ni na mo picture vi me la dia wa beg we no mo say because of a bully or nana. I mean you pani amawo. But if you look at the video I did 3 days ago, una forget about with video ni about where you know. Umana woko no soon with social media no mana nota. Uma woko no soon with social media na with 2020 2021 a day till today. O salo ba meke kiwe ni kao. or can feel one when you know battle. He did the one saw because who ba no zoom one almost to zoom one sick power. So that is the reason I will not spend my time to answer all those reparophobia human beings. My word is in category. They who by life video na imagine me I dekun me dey wa gege atai without a manota. Before I on my platform deliberating any issue, I must verify. Better na me give ni dota la jona ga oge unwe go manota ma me otoge. Unwe go manota me ni ma me otoge I must to nota. Ano ga be sene be ka we no wa o wani no go wani mano. Why give me never social media na wa ke a judge. What about jumping while I jump? Hey, I got an agbinane. I got an agbinane. Oh, my agbinane. Hello. Kiye no kwa ni wati o lieli o no wari ati everywhere. E dark no blood no guru no yellow no. Kiye no kwa isani ane yo we Monica. I ane yo hu ba na ne yo ko wa ya na le. Abina ibian. Uni agbena to gbe ya na we de gbe ga te. Ya na do risani. What's the next scenario? You know what for the money from uncle? You now don't see where person they give something for person. Who to wow women and who go scoff. You have to come and chop it. You guys should need to be ashamed of yourself. Kiju wa no kwa keneni neni keneni je ke ya. O kene ko ya muwa. O ga me no ami me gboto na me wana. E gboto wa do dejina. But because of hatred, because of awamamie content, o ya ka we. Ege no ya agbinane. O ma agbinane isano ne yo wa e odo e. Aleru otuni ya kon gima ige ma ya ginya ya. Abi wa na leru. O anybody no ya kon ya gieme. Ige aya ginya ya they must only come and rejoice for me and it does mean ya $15 loy. Where go be here no we no we dey. What do ye? E va we gi filo kwa we gi roko iti fiame la o fiame. E ni bi je no kwa tin adori fiame. That just it imu ho maropa. Be ni meje meke ya gwe no rugwe bie bi na o ga seti je no kwa ya mo ya gbe black and blue yellow and green. No be say na kokon. For that simple reason, I have many blog and analyze why any message and I winning anime women. In winning any ga women, me have you call me la why wages. I say yes, come graduate, certificate me yari le you to kon. No sense ka bo he. So when it gwayo, why me no gwayo. Do wa mana anything wa gwayo, wa make the case wa ko wa la wa do vio. O ma be ni meje, either ni any or a group member ni me ti sian sikegbe. Because me ya mo ebo gbiyan ko fa mi wa no. I target ya re izozo kun ala yan gbari na ya fian ya e. O se ni na notice ya. I don't notice there. Ima notice ya me tin ya exist. Beri e pa ni me na gian, mi ya re pa ni ai. Yes, mi fon ko. O ma no ete be ko no gbe na e tori e no te gbowo we. O bi e no te gbowo we ne nia. You might understand the why. Because a hatred, or maybe some of you don't want to say the truth, or maybe so especially some blogger and new working, no sunu, or why I Suzy Suzy get mama yelala, no, you know so quick mama yelala, you guys don't know. Wamae, there is no way they notice any recruit me bag because they cause me pains, they cause me tears, they cause me pain, they cause me tears. The reason I never stay away from Monica is because I never see Monica as a presenter. I see her like my sister. I have already dedicated that love I have for her. That was the reason we say, okay, no problem. They can go there. It's not my business. But she is the one I love. Not really them that is coming there. Eriya decide. The same way when decide. It's not because I welcome them or I love them. Because ekemena mwebo ya adie woni ni mebe we no concern group oni I should stay away from there. Yeri ekpani so wa hin awe o ma no keke ni wa no easy o keke ni wa no. We wa ya o we ba. Because wa ma understand the kede they only say na na me wa deliberate ye matter video. Or say beg a video say ma de gwan ye na we I beg when no de gwan na we no tired we piri. Wa hin because my kede many kede good morning everyone. O my kede no kede I don't think you wear. Wow, Judge very anywhere. Suzy. Again, no, I've been my beggar. Are you mad or something? What do we na yawi? La sister brother, no what do we na? Where my again nearly kept any general wakabuli this person. Don't you know? 2021, what happened with social media? What's your corona do cause anime? What's your corona me Suzy Yamoyela la do mula live video? Why give her? Why give a what? ne boy gbeluwa wawa ekoru enwan okoni me ye gbe na 2020 ade 2021 2022 e me ye hon de me ma eti are do risian because was e kitanya ke no risan e ya na do risan e wini sani ado e mamu me because Mary sani menene. Are you getting me, my people? Mary sani menene wa ekoru enwan na be do miege no ma be die nye o be do so ane ni peyen eru den ni black keke vi yin ano kwa e na fe picture be here Facebook re iji ano kwa from the group ni na ya ba hwan mo hogi iji ano kwa from the group ni na ya mo kpa ni ma head ogi na me iji ano kwa from the group na ya humiliate me be social media iji ano kwa no se na mege picture me TV ole de na na vi eladia iji ano kwa no se pese ni yo me gbe ano kwa no se ve ni yo me gba. If I remember what I passed through during that process, do you think I will easily forgive you every on gbo mo I was say gbe on ri be ye bu wa no ri pa no ri I no dey gbowo we I no be like una. I just got to beg una. I know they pretend if I say something wala agogo do wa make no wakede me ekede e ita. The story of 2020 e ikede iyo salobo anywa a video ni we ne dia ga so to wa make ni na tai story of 2020 e gbodu wa on wa even the story of 2020 e gbo ne mi ga izenyo mana peda wa ni megugwana e mo boy ne ni no hoho no we baby keke video no ho no hoho a yin me de e kara wali deliberate ye the matter no make no kere ni analyze wa me egugwana wa onya because majority of na wa ma jere majority of na wa ma he. Are you getting me? Wama kene ni kesunwe wanyan. So kwa no evano no ma verify. Ona we ni eta we video ni we ne dia ni geti ba we. Ra wa ge ma kene keze ni na we video ni unwo ga to gbe di person. Because kene ma je mi ego dia mo nya Facebook me mo kie. E Facebook me vie pichi me ma vie yu hu ya. I ma egbo vie ma de live video no no e bi e bully obi yen de. We no la dia no do tai. I gwa bully obi o han. Iye dede no meme no go bie kagbe na iti ebo no wiere imari owiere dede ni die ni ari odogobo igwije wu me ewe mebi ni doja jo bi egbe have never imari down for that simple reason emi na ni awu mebe 2020 ya ba be group be bare be ru wa mana ge ba wa na so a George unwi me ne so ekeke bo saloba keke be ni ka no yo to ne do ni ya fefefe o hin atogbo wa no ma ke ne me kede la fe ko verify no ya nke no kede o ma ropa egbe kan me igwa ti o ma no ma tie me u ga gba gbe ma bege mata na we gbe do sie problem na we gbe do ladia. It's going to be physically and spiritually ni ya kan ya mu e bogwe gbe do ya gwo wa we gbe beteri ba bokan ya lawa gbe ru wa kan ya ri ba no de gbo wa we. Are you getting me? So please I want everybody, if you want to talk for any matter wait there for Facebook, verify as it happen. No jump for that matter. Even if you understand any man boy on way, he made the saga de to make me. Yes, saga yari ba page me na imi wan era bo we sili san imi when o me wo we e gbofo we. I ka bi aye deji. Eya wege na mana e nebo mana ire amaru e bogede. Ime nwina me ni nwina be di agbede mo di ape yari nwina. Oki agbari go yo mo but the second te ba ne go la wa kan to ye woto. A vast contract when he target be maragia me na ro for one month. E si when I pay to we sin la mutuality so have you let me woto one win for 5 years in the country without breaking for one day not be small picking. Are you getting me? I have built that for myself. And I want to know here okay? Please. Don't say because I did that video. No, don't say because I did that video. Say, I just did that video because say, I not look at where they fight for. Which fight they fight? Where, ooh. Now fight they can't fight. Oh, my dog be na. Isa no nehi bae. No nyagwa no neji we oh. Isa ni adore. They come and chop that shit with their mouth. Abu where go jo wo ma no si we digin. No do gwe gbese. Owa no mo epogbo we no do gwe gbese. No do gwe gogo. Hero no waya nano. Hero ne da doge nano. That is what happened. Mo tai ebode. Iya go no suru we ne yari ebebori. If they no say no be so happen, make they go play go juju paper and not be here with it. Social media. The presenter ni buma ewu. Presenter ni buma ewu again on asu no. Why Google sweni wa wala go. O ma ve ye boy ye ragma be bully ye boy. O ma ve ni ye jo sagbon o se mi. It was there. Have you bad with life video yo? E ma boom. Have you bad with life video yo? O ma ve mama bila akin e o sagbon o se mi. E yare va ge no na suru 2020. O pe ne crook me back e keke ni black o pe ni akedo. O wa wetin ada son ya. E ma ni the story na ke no kede. I tani anwe to yagbi na ne. Isano ne keke vision no kwa yin ayaye. Because wani that day wa na fila wa fie wana blogger. E kenike wa temi ana la wa fie wa the blog we man analyze. Ni ame na e go pe ni akegbete we I was also number one person a bully. Another bully me. Gwale in that for Monica na bully me ya figi a bully me de Monica ji. Ma e very on e work very o. You know they work like that. Be ma wo no Monica gi me ya wekia. Ma mo me no pia. When you jack be when organize it, when they cook me by it for responsible. Okay? Because we make the video, please, while I will win why I why. Wage woman, or my image, why I equal hot oma, or say got see a boy for me, wag be a bomek be, you move your halate, padomosa lavese, domosa. They can't leak this shit. Exactly. A bomek wag be. Ima move your can work at any no in here. Ime mi jawu. Ime mi ni jawu. Igbe. Obome ma be very on ye. Right from me ye kere very much amore ya esi one. Or when I can go your can no one to yani can be a kawe ama make area oge. The set up in ani. Iji ana tota na amwepo gbe yoge money me bie. Be no honi na mo na ameje. Wa ge saga na yin oduku. Ora yin oduku. It's going to be eye for eye. Wa ge yo duku e madogwa ya ro ya dumogun igi dumogun na ye leye keku ina dasegie ina degwe na de diga eriri e be na dosisi osisi na ye ka sisi ya wo gege ne deni ya ibome na pepo e ka sisi ni fioju wo zagalele ya no emu no eviwe no ewa o waru enwa igwene igi obo me bobe saga. Iwe ni eko unwa because if we dene vetu o mami di geti coin wa trigger matana wa ga trigger oh salobo we di go to why he might understand wow hey he might understand wow wa trigger we could not trigger rambo wa ge wa la lo we oni na we gbe cause aga we gbe the 2020 iwo ne be saga ina the certificate na re mobo ira lu certificate exactly ira rie di certificate ore ina rie latia memwe no ruwe bi me ni aye ne ni dak yawo ime ni yawo ko me maka e exist ho ba no ho for 5 years we fe kakati me ni yawo igwijin no hwekin amuswe ya amujin no kwa mwemenu no ya amujin no kwa mwemenu ni egbe na social media sie bolo e drag e no do tell me ni wunye no na group ekuku na ya ba mo giaseni why is it the get wake or ga wake no re ebo eri atete bona no let am wake I don't fear anybody if you do video no kon answer you amwe bo ni ogo pe no salo ba be ni karibo hi wewu ni o se ni na gun ama me get ha mo me understand o be mo ma no go me gun me live video na all la me gbe wi e get why if I talk say I don't love you a presenter soro no we video upa o we a message to Mama Suzy iwa tolerate okay oro obo pe aro obo ku e we to wan mo because of money e tie na we yes e mawo ni break that friendship ni and e be break because a friendship is breaking I ke we gbe settle all logo e break e gbon ma video ni e you understand e gbon ma video ni e o ma ni ma boy ma gun vi ke we settle one on one finish e Facebook na o man I garo arrive I live na I arrive na be mama ne go be Facebook I don't see one era I dey cry no if you dey chop money for you congratulations I'm so happy for you but mari ma me Facebook go get ba bola o me gbe no iba bo mala me gbe okay about the second or the third wo to tisi no la account oye wele officially e get holiday money as e ban e go meti kan teri be so 3000k oye ogbe 2006 arire opo agbatan se fun oye gbata oye gbudu eriye no you getting me so that is it I just got to beg una. Make it just day like that. To me, at the laugh, sis, I know say a day like this will come. Inye give me no magolo gbo baji. Ovia woe oji. Okay? At the laugh there. This morning about. Okay, thank you. Yo, you might get here. You see her? So, they say Mama Joy International, I don't do video this morning about nearly about it. Mama, God bless you, Mama Joy. I remember, Mama, the reason, you know, say this, me with Mama Joy, with the kwakata where that are, we don't cause me kosara. Now, because of that woman where they follow, they go, na ikosamo. You understand? If you're not close to a person, you know, no say person, they nice. Normally, you don't go no. Now they make me the talker. You know, see, the respect we are they give them. You get why? As I they respect Mama Bella Akin. That's why they respect Mama Joy International. Because they really start that time. They talk calm. No matter anything, sometimes I agree, but those two women, again, Akana, e Mama Joy, audio. Oh, now where I go, no kwebo, ma. Even Mama Bella Akin still do that kind of thing. Or say, oh, me man, no, we video you give me fione, we live video now. I no go talk. You were begging, and I make the dinner sometimes. Give me a lot like baby. I tell you. Many meje, wagata wawe abito huwe monica muwe, yes, ehuo The same way people call me there yesterday, they tell me, say, Mama, I no gega go, oh, no muwe, yes, ehue, oh, There are some set of people what awe, wari egui, because of the likeness in me, and so I be. Oh, no, what I go, madam, I know they take cambo. Awa. Oh, I wait in mohe monica. Kakabo imohae when no say na mohae because he love her ma on the friendship him boy stop e keni mu dia anything you want no ye me ogbe me ogbo we me ho ne monica we video baba no send the message give me he did reply be by rather I will call her or I will report her to someone that close to her e kenati o one at you because me man look no la dia na e me no nyai o ga gwen man do reply ewo o be fi we o mama la agwo ye ma ege oji for example Erioveje nenogi. Erioveje agameya wef. There are people I really talk my I take my way life video mana de life mo sa ba no gi matoma ye me gbebe dowi. Wumego. Ye ya ni me sona no eri wo me. Eri aropa. They never give me money. But that one not stop say me cannot respect that space in of I like you. Era na me go de na yakoko. Why here ta we. Anana. Omo honona. Nokpa. Omo he nokpa. Yes. Ehue oh ha. Oh ma be respected by for once. Okay? Aba yo ya henyenye. Meti yo ya henyenye. Wa we mo ha ikoyo. Wa we o me to ogbe me eri no. If your secret in a daddy or a secret to webe mafia ne daddy or go menu. Ha. Oko kote ka get beni ere dede no sin. Gume fio ne no daddy on a problem we. Do you understand? Yesterday, yesterday, Mama, I no get to do video. Say no get aku. What say a problem here? Call where they see past 20. Are you getting me, my people? Because I said it already. Enoge is the one of the May presenter or the respect maybe live video. No matter there. He has never insulted me once. At least I'm busy guy little no me. Obe maseni keni gbogbo ye no say yan. O me robi me. Are you getting me? Now started to do my thing. O me tie we do we sago ma di job eh. O amu me mo hamu e we. Wo ma nya gbe me ni me. E voice don't hagi mu me. I ma doru ta we do te sagare na ma partition ya kwa kwa. I wo so far. E we mo hian so far. E de no here problem wa. Wa ye we. Oko ko ma ka ge ni egbe yin. E de no si o hian ya complain. Wa hewe. Meje bu wa no nele la ye ni hano be la kuna. Iye me ne Facebook kuna je. E ma so tero yi te oni ma bi agbagbo because yen ke ni ma kesun. Are you getting me? But mami ave me so that sada mami get hating ya. Are you getting me, my people? E mami get hating ya. But o wa ni ma wo ma ye ma oni ma wo. O get a point me. E real life na rioji. O me ma so no agogo. Megwa we vie shiti wa we video agugwago evu waire. I know they reply my sweetheart. I they reply them. They will say, oh wa mo ha agugwago. We maybe no so no 2020. We have to pay we no so no we know de. Oh we beg. Erioga bully. What's it again? That's a bully, man. I want to come a bully for 3 years. Or get to bully man for 1 year. Where do I go bully man? Yeah, we not. And then the black media might say when I saw take any one after 40 days or 45 goose year by a big lion. Or employ big land, I pay now. Shameless set of gang. Wanaki cannot want to cook well at the day. It cannot ya with baby not to you page anything pageable. Eke wa page je wa you ohoy wa ne ohoy. Shameless people. Idiots. Wama academy kede wa watafia yo be Gemi ehui. After bu duza do ene. After bu se wa no me no se egin agbe. Ene ogwe e oja ho. Una dala we una mwe contract. What's your kwoni? Because I will mass your kwoni. E me na gesi ababioko. Even the person questioning was your government misunderstanding. Again, that made for example, when I'm stress someone, what with that group, you cook that group, what group, when what dog winner. And then I give on because a scenario who ordinary boy say. I got a scenario, a yak bomber, yes, say. A scenario, no so good. By a come away, senior. E de skata, e de pufu, e de zaga, because a scenario is sagbo, I got we so good. Even na me boni he etoni bugwe je say because I say no we uni e say down no that is the reason una we pay me down way wa we say no man who receive me agbo tangible something inside una we say down e say down e o hia repeat hia unu gbagba e me de o ho na me ege ne money card wa we me mu ha na ya bo ma we saga iki life video me de by go man ya we saga many times na dosen ya how many times una dosen ya. Why you not commit me? Say, mama, you not join me do this saga. How many times I don't saga person because of her? Wag be me ba mi. Wasi me ba me. Wag be me. Wasi me logo. Wag we di ono we. Edi mume. Edi yebo mume. Edi leke. Wase mi aju we keji. Wakion guwa. Why we? And any of una. Apart from where, no gehi where o made bawa. You get why? Cause you are my human no you get well. You are no game where mother de ba the rest of you guys. Wana fige matter na wa de wa do gbina. Wa mudia no view am no wu me no he. No wu oga me no he. Wa stay your wa eh. Wa stay your wa because every day no be Christmas o. Are you getting me? Wani wa analyze na me go wa go wani buro keke wayari. Okieke wayari. Are you getting me? Okieke o wayare mo bogu wagui. Oke George o mana temi ne nieni keke vizie no kwa ume. Una George everi oni. Unwo hia togbo wa. Okay? Be mo won waro pa e mo he saga eh. I know the fear saga. You tell me I'll tell you atama me tama we no ri megberi oru wegbe. Wari owo we ba e ma ti Jesu agi on oge wana we na emi me ta ha mo oge we na ya fia ba de. Me. He ma understand. Me. Where we saga where do come me we me mami ogwe we seri enu we me Jimmy he might understand at all me for saga you will come do saga Suzy Eric be agiano neso Johnny women say salopa ye kiana ga wekia so fa me mado wo da fun we o come o se mo pa ya pe to when a boyfriend or what make no na he o concern me concern we so fa me ka mo we wo da fun we honey problem we mo nya he me bi we me ka so o ho no ga pe we so ni ma concern we you get me so mo na dey I just got to beg una o mo no mari respect na o mo no mari respect na I dey tell you get why are you getting me una we just dey talk blah make una just dey carry the talk. But all I know that video where I do that video yesterday, I was really happy and I was so confident. I was so bold. I was so courageous. If anyone is able to courage you, I was some of my courageous. Oh my God, why say yeah boy, even what I know what they important. I was so happy. After I did that video, my heart was made cool. I go to my bed and sleep like a baby. Because I've been waiting to say this thing long time ago. But I just said free wait. I say, or said the no buy you do. I talk come arrest. Okay? Every they say where they talk for this matter for back. No one we are not here. But me, I not carry my full common cartel and say, now so when thank you, my sweetheart. When for back. I not talk. I have a boire at Febo. Suzy Suzy, where they say, I go. Yes, I hear. Okay? Did you measure and call the person who get the matter? Say now so they say, well. Our why it is your boy is. So I just again my love. God, you know. Okay? If your boy your boyfriend, I not communicate and say na so I hear oh, be o, erere o, o, ale yo lere o, o, agugu block my block. I no talking. Ademas, ke no ve weji, ya we ke no ve ruweji. If I never na do ave, we be or when I be what do I call or I don't to be Python. And I be Python. Now we sit down put knife food on the meter. It tell me he can total you news a year quarter popoka. Keri one rock a fake in rock ya. Teg a revete. It's a guy to the Valley Kega who got the West Scottish. That is the reason I am so bold of myself. I don't fear anybody. Okay? I'm a woman of Tiba a caliber. When no baby so I cannot fear any of you. If you want, why give your dad or why? One I feel one no jerry and I'm here where. Wa me fe kakanti ni wa ya bully o ma me mu fe kakanti physically face to face e hia move na wa move yo ho na wa carry ya imwere ya imu pabu ya isiere ifa popo jo egbe gbiri ohun suwe ken yeri aya we no be say na go con fire to fire no e mama ri sike nwa wiki arowa ya ibelo wan never ni abelo ya nyano na move. That is the reason I never have any a conversation rock. Titania we Suzy Suzy na ro ma boy egun be yeke no lie what won to gbo. I have blocked you guys for long time ago. Your number is not existing again in my territory. Here's this. The only person where I still get a number, I don't know whether they use them again. That be lovely. The old number where they use, I still get them for inside my phone. In messenger, I no block her. It's still there. Our conversation is still there. Okay? Now only she, now I no block. Okay? Now only she, now I no block. Because God know why I no hate her. I remember the time we work out together. Those years. When she could do video, I go stay with her and I know that one. So she no hurt me. No. Now we just have saga for Facebook. That time, say she don't hurt me. I cannot say she hurt me. She never give me tears. Now just mato talk. Finish. Only hear me rock back. But talk about not see a video where you are going to make communication. Where you open one where you are here. May you very all. They look like me. I'm a very different person. Okay? That's so I tell they do my own. I don't get that time. If I like you, I like you. If I don't tire for your matter, I'm going to see me if you trouble. If I block you, I could they block person. I'll just block. But if me and you get misunderstanding, I not block you. Get and say I still they miss you, I still love you. But if I don't block you, why am I going to that is it. The old presenter will maybe, for example, where me with and go get small saga, getting number, I not block. I still repeat and I lovely. You still getting number. I don't know whether they use that number again. Plus messenger. I not block her for messenger. Okay? Now only she. The rest of them, what we don't do, you don't do me saga, you don't already give me peace. I block you immediately. And I'm not going to remember whether you they exist again. And that can say I be. Okay, my people. So una where they talk for the matter, and I don't know where they go. I know why they don't why the hospital. And I last have a blogger. Keke be son presenter not affaire yo no ma even me ya sunu e. O ha mu me wa ge kene me kede eni black we gang e tin agele hot we na hot ni. E pisi be mere Facebook we de na eni black re sunu so keke we ye. Okay? Because I we Martin ama we de gbere, wa bege bi sunu ye ni manike iyan we de gbe ti oziri. O se na we gbe ni we de gbe so ni iyan nana. You get me, my people? Iyan zegi me vie pichi bi me Facebook re TV me mo se inyansie ni na vie pichi bi me ye Facebook. Okay? But inye go salopa me mo punish gang ni. O ma understand because ije gi do ke no do ne na vio woge na vio la de to pe bi afio ge le o bi afio ge le na because I give a choice. o we se go dani ane era gbe logo vi la dia na vi se ge vi o ge la dia ona if you get la dia no ge do e vi no gi ani ke vi ai that was what happened okay oni e vi no sunu me na we gwa ina we decide wa we ya ave pishi bi me la dia e ma ki ave bullying ya ave fake account no ho ni we vi o ki ave do e kini e ma be social media na you know they e ma be social media na ti bully me because ma bully ogwa imwe picture ma bi jo ma ye platform me o ko me wa me misunderstand the picture we imwe